In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the page zoom level on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser, select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Appearance. And then over here on the right, you want to just scroll down, and where it says Page Zoom, click the drop down, and you can adjust that very easily. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.